এটা আমাদের অরিজিনাল কম্পোজিশন একটা গানটার নাম রিপারেট। Once upon a time beside the cityscape, and there was a colony of sparrows used to live, but now they all escape. But now they all escape. Words and rolling signal, they can't make differences. Living in the era of violence, we can't make a return to our innocence. We can't make a return to innocence, like the child, like the children. We can't make a return to our innocence. Once this city replaces a jungle that holds into a land, biological offspring disappears, living in the kingdom of wrong land. Once nature all did it right, but we did try to change. But now the you and me, and this was not to intend, but the damage is done with the plastic waste and the ocean dirt and mountain disputed, and the damage is done with plastic waste and the ocean are taught and the mountain disputed. We all know what are the consequences. Let's get back and hold the floodgate. Let's get back the whole of floods of gate before it's too late. Reparate before it's too all late. Once upon a time, beside the cityscape, there was a lake, a colony of sparrows used to live, but now they all escape.